What we have been through, yeah. Some great thing took place between me and you. And I reached Carl, you do, and David to talk about life in its tricky ways, to find some words of wisdom to get by and get back just a little bit in time, and have a chance to flip or post its core. Devoted my mind and try to discover how things went this way. I'm searching my heart, the strength and knowledge of our great friend J.F. I try to ride, escape, and penetrate under the edge of my brain, my friend. But time's not gonna save us. No, we know we gotta hold on when our lives goes on. Yeah. We gotta hold on when our lives goes on. Yeah. Down the bounds of the things we made together, 'cause you're talking about some atomic bomb and all the radiation among. But I'll tell you what I've learned, we must bond to every kindness so we can work for our future and stick with the good of things too. Time and space are daily remake so we can shape and change who we imagine ourselves to be. Devoted my mind to try to discover how things went this way. I'm searching my heart, the strength and knowledge of our great friend J.F. I try to ride, escape, and penetrate under the edge of my brain, my friend. The time's not gonna save us. No, we know we gotta hold on